Are you looking for the top 5 best inflatable pools to beat the heat? When you're searching for the best inflatable pool, everything feels like a blur. You see the same designs and catchy claims everywhere. But if you want to really know what will keep you cool this summer, you've got to look a bit closer.
Product number 1, Voice Tank Inflatable Tanning Pool Lounger Float. Priced at just $28.45, what caught my attention was its unique water sprinkler feature. If you want a fun way to chill while soaking up the sun, this is worth a serious look. So why does this pool float stand out? Well, it's 77 inches long and 48 inches wide, which means you can comfortably fit 2 adults or really stretch out solo. The built-in water sprinkler is a game changer, keeping you cool as you can. Plus, with a maximum capacity of 300 pounds, you can lounge without worry. The removable pillow adds neck support, making it even more comfortable. With over 10,000 units sold in just a month, it's clear that people are loving it. Now, some folks mention that it can be a bit tricky to inflate fully. Here's the thing though, once it's blown up right, it's super enjoyable. Just make sure you have a good pump ready. This is perfect for you if you want a relaxing, fun way to enjoy the sun without overheating. Skip this one if you're looking for something more suitable for kids or larger gatherings. For the price, it's a solid investment for summer fun.
Product number 2, Celitos Family Inflatable Pool. Next, let's talk about the Celitos Inflatable Pool for kids and adults. At $74.98, it offers a larger space for family fun. If you're planning summer pool parties, this one deserves your attention. This pool measures 120 inches by 72 inches and can hold up to 2 adults and 3 to 5 kids. With a capacity of 312 gallons, it's perfect for those backyard barbecues. It's made from BPA-free materials, ensuring safety for your little ones. Plus, it inflates in just 3 to 4 minutes, so you won't have to waste any time. With features like 3 individual air chambers, this pool is designed to prevent leaks and support extra weight. Given that it's been bought over 4,000 times recently, it seems to be a hit. However, some reviews pointed out that the size can be a bit cumbersome to store. But honestly, if you have a backyard to fill with laughter and splashes, the size is a minor inconvenience. This is perfect for families looking to create lasting summer memories. Skip it if you're just after a small personal pool for yourself, as it's designed for fun with the whole crew.
Product number 3, Sulimra Pool Floats. The Sulimra inflatable pool floats come in a 2-pack for just $19.98, which is a steal if you want some chill time on the water. If you're looking for something versatile for lounging, this is definitely worth your consideration. These floats are 47 inches long and can transform into a hammock, chair, drifter, or exercise saddle. This means you can switch things up based on your mood. The breathable mesh seat keeps you cool while floating, and the durable PVC material ensures they last through multiple summers. With 4,000 units sold recently, it's clear that people appreciate their flexibility. Some users found them a bit unstable at times, especially if you're a heavier floater. But honestly, if you're just lounging and not trying to flip around too much, they hold up well. This is great for anyone wanting a portable float for pool days or beach getaways. Skip these if you prefer a more traditional float or need something for a big group.
Product number 4, Intex Solar Pool Heater Mat. Up next is the Intex Solar Pool Water Heater Mat, priced at $28.78. If you're serious about extending your pool season, you might want to consider this. This mat uses solar technology to increase your pool's temperature by about 5 to 9 degrees, which can really make a difference on cooler days. It's compatible with above-ground pools of up to 8,000 gallons, and its compact design makes setup easy. You simply attach it and let the sun do the work. The fact that it's been purchased over 1,000 times means it's popular among pool owners looking to maximize comfort. However, some people found that it doesn't raise the temperature as much as they'd hoped. But honestly, if you live in a sunny area, even a slight increase can make your swim a lot more enjoyable. This is perfect for pool owners wanting to get more use out of their investment. Skip it if you're looking for a quick standalone swimming solution, since it just heats the water.
Product number 5, Long 10 Large Inflatable Pool.
Finally, we have the Long 10 Large Inflatable Pool, available for $55.99. If you're looking for a spacious option for your family, this is worth checking out. Measuring 120 by 70 inches, it can hold about 650 gallons, accommodating several kids and adults comfortably. The thickened PVC construction means it's built for durability, and with 3 independent air chambers, it maintains stability while preventing leaks. It's simple to inflate and drain, with a drain hose included for easy cleanup. Given that it's sold over 900 times recently, it's gaining traction among summer enthusiasts. Some folks mentioned that it can take longer to drain than expected. Here's the thing. If you have a backyard you love to splash around in, the fun this pool offers far outweighs that minor issue. This is great for families wanting a reliable pool for all sorts of outdoor play. Skip this one if you need something very portable or easy to store, as it's larger and takes up more space. To wrap it all up, we've explored the Voice Tank tanning pool for relaxation, the Cellets family pool for gatherings, the versatile Sulimra floats, the Intech solar heater for those chilly days, and the Long 10 pool for spacious fun. Each has its unique strengths, so you can choose what fits your summer plans best.